Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we would like to write a program to calculate the time in years it will take for an investment to double at a given annual interest rate using the following formula. So this is the formula, and we are having the logarithm 2 divided by logarithm plus rate. And it is going to be assigned to a variable called time, and we are going to print time in the output. So first of all, we're going to ask the user enter the annual interest rate as a decimal. For example, for 5%, we type down 0.05. Then whatever the user is going to enter is stored in the rate variable. And then we type down exactly this formula in Python here. Okay, but we need to have the math library. So math.log in parentheses we type down 2 divided by math.log 1 plus rate, and rate is something that we got from the user, and this is assigned to the variable called time. We call it time, it can be anything, and then we print the output of the time. So when I run this code, it says enter the annual interest rate. For example, the annual interest rate is of 5%, and with 5% of annual interest rate, it would take 14 years, almost 14 years, for my investment to be doubled. Okay, so if I put $100 in my investment bank account, it would take 14 years, approximately 14 years, for my investment to become $200, so to be doubled. So this is how we can calculate it in Python using the math library and logarithm function. Thank you for watching.